Hey guys, I'm Vic, Fishing and Fabricating. Just got the new Cub Cadet here. I had to buy a new lawnmower, bigger yard. So let's take a look at it. I just topped her off with fresh premium gas. Let's see how she runs. Here she is, Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro series, 42-inch cut. Picked it up at the Home Depot here in our town. It's a pretty nice little tractor. I mean, they don't give them away anymore, that's for sure. So we're gonna jump on her here and give her a start up. All right, here we go. Brakes all the way in. Start right up. Pretty quiet. Let's give her a little rip around the yard here. Do a little mowing. Deck on and see what happens. Let's see here, take her down about there, right there. It's on there. See what happens. This is pretty long grass back here. Getting through her pretty good. Guys, one more little piece of information here. This has this Intel Power optimized custom cut performance here. You gotta have it on power cut or you're not gonna get as much power. It also has idle and transport. I'll show you what it looks like. First time, this right here, it's this Intel Power optimized cut performance. First time I tried cutting with it, I didn't have it on that, man. It's way more powerful with that on. Here, I'm gonna start it up and show you guys. So you turn it down here to idle. Oh, I gotta turn the mower neck off first, hang on. That's on idle mode right there. See how it comes way down? You put it up here on power mode, grabs it way up. Put the mower neck in. She's going. Yeah, that's the way it should be. I'll give her 2 thumbs up. Definitely better than push mowing. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.